Jharkhand police lathi charge to disperse special police officer, the SPOs, who were protesting outside the Chief Minister's residence in Ranchi. Contractual SPOs have put forward various demands, including permanent jobs. The confrontation occurred when SPOs, who have been demanding regularization of their services and other benefits, gathered to voice their grievances. Assam Chief Minister and Jharkhand in charge, Himanta Biswa Sarma, visited the hospital to meet the injured officials. Addressing the incident, he has urged state government to discuss the issue and immediately take steps to resolve it. Now let's in fact listen in to what he has said.
बोला है काल जो घटने हुए थे में सहायक पुलिस कर्मी लोगों का ऊपर लाठीचार्ज किया गया और भी कुछ बर्ताव किया गया। मैं सहायक पुलिस लोगों से भी मिला। दौरान 2 IRB का बैटालियन का कर्मी भी घायल हुआ था, वो 2 लोगों को भी मिला और सबका साथ मिलके मुझको यही लगता है कि सरकार को डिस्कशन करके बातचीत करके ये मसला को हल करना चाहिए, नहीं तो ये मसला आगे जाके फिर बड़ा ही होगा। सहायक पुलिस लोगों ने मुझको बोला है कि लोगों को वेतन नियमित नहीं मिलते हैं, हर साल का एक्सटेंशन होता है, मेडिक्लेम नहीं दिया जाता है, कोई लोगों का देहांत हो जाता है ड्यूटी में, उनको भी मुआवजा नहीं मिलते हैं और साथ में जो पहले वादा किया गया था वो भी निभाया नहीं जा रहा है।
Well, that was Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma. Now joining me at this moment is our correspondent Nibir. Nibir, how do you see this situation unfolding in the state of Jharkhand, where strange visuals indeed have come from the police, the lathi charging to the special SPOs who have been protesting against the Chief Minister's residence and now demanding for the permanent jobs? What is the latest that we are picking up from the ground situation in Jharkhand?
Yes, indeed, this is a very serious matter that is unfolding in Jharkhand, and the Assam Chief Minister, who is in Jharkhand, in BJP Jharkhand in charge, has stated that the incident took place wherein assistant police personnel were lathi charging and they got injured. And he has stated that the state government to have a discussion with the police personnel and resolve this issue as early as possible. And he has also claimed that the police personnel had told him that they were not allowed to cast their vote. So he is raising these issues ahead of the elections in Jharkhand, and he has stated that the BJP is very confident to win the elections. He has been there in Jharkhand since the last few weeks and making some statements that has caused a lot of controversy, especially with the Muslim remark that he stated about Assam. And now the issue that has picked up in Jharkhand, wherein the protesters were lathi charged, Himanta Biswa Sarma has taken up this issue and is claiming that this issue is going to be boosting BJP's chances to win the elections. Back to you.
Well, what do we understand as of between the altercation that has happened? This is the kind of message that goes against maintaining the law and order in the state of Jharkhand. And as we are given to understand, how does the state government essentially plans to maintain the law and order in such a situation when the police forces have indeed now staged a protest against the state government at this given point of time?
This raises a lot of issues about the law and order situation, and that is what the BJP is now cornering the current government because the following situation when the Jharkhand police lathi charged the protesting contractual police assistants in Ranchi, the BJP is now cornering the state government to end this agitation once and for all, and that is what the issue that Himanta Biswa Sarma has picked up about the police lathi charging to disperse its own special police officers that were protesting outside the Chief Minister's residence in Ranchi. And the contractual SPOs have been forwarding their demands for a long time, including permanent jobs. And instead of hearing those demands, the confrontation had occurred. And this has led to a lot of question marks being raised against the government, with the likes of the BJP raising the issue of the law and order and the flaw in the law and order in the state of Jharkhand.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.